Welcome back to English Learning Easy. Today, we're teaching you 21 work English sentences, but with a twist.
We'll show you basic, then intermediate, then expert versions, side by side, so you instantly level up how you speak at work.
Use the expert versions to sound more professional and confident.
Let's jump straight in.
Sentence 1. Asking for help. I need help with this.
Could you assist me with this?
Could you provide some guidance on this task? Sentence 2. Asking for explanation.
Can you explain this to me?
Could you clarify this for me?
Would you mind giving me a brief walkthrough?
Sentence 3. Not understanding. I don't understand.
I'm having trouble understanding.
Could you elaborate a bit? I'd like to fully understand. Sentence 4. Requesting to talk.
Can we talk now?
Do you have a moment to discuss this?
Let me know when you're available to discuss this further.
Sentence 5. Sending something. I will send it today.
I'll send it over shortly.
I'll finalize it and send it across by the end of the day. Sentence 6. Expressing uncertainty.
I'm not sure.
I'm not completely certain.
I don't have a definite answer yet, but I'll look into it.
Sentence 7. Asking to repeat. Can you repeat that?
Could you say that again, please?
Could you please clarify that point once more? Giving your opinion. I think this is good.
I believe this works well.
In my opinion, this approach seems highly effective.
Asking for time.
Give me time.
Could I have a bit more time?
Could you allow me a moment to review this thoroughly?
Sharing a problem.
There is a problem.
We're facing an issue.
There appears to be a concern we should address.
Talking about workload.
I'm busy.
I have a lot to do right now.
My schedule is full at the moment, but I can prioritize if needed.
Starting a meeting.
Let's start.
Shall we begin?
Let's get started and walk through today's agenda.
Showing agreement.
I agree.
I agree with that point.
I completely agree, and I think it could benefit us further.
Talking about progress.
It's done.
It's completed.
The task has been completed successfully. Talking about delays. I'm late.
Sorry, I'm running a bit late.
Apologies for the delay. I appreciate your patience.
Asking for permission. Can I do this?
Is it okay if I proceed with this?
Would you mind if I move forward with this task?
Offering help. I can help.
I can help if you need.
I'd be happy to assist if there's anything you need support with.
Requesting feedback. Tell me your feedback.
Could you share your feedback?
I'd appreciate your thoughts so I can refine this further.
Setting expectations. I will do it soon.
I'll get to it shortly.
I'll take care of it as soon as possible and keep you updated. Talking about plans. We will do this.
We plan to do this.
Our team intends to move forward with this approach. Closing a conversation. That's all.
That's everything for now.
That covers everything for now. Let me know if anything else comes up. And that's how you transform basic office English into confident, expert-level communication.
Practice these every day at work and your English will upgrade fast.
See you in the next lesson.